best striker we have, right? And for sure, and he proved that with the goals he scored. But when you're going up against, I assume you're going up against Cuti Romero and Lisandro Martinez, two very physical central defenders. I would probably throw in Pitta at the start, almost to wear them down, because Pitta's going to go toe for toe with them, be in that physical battle. And then maybe in the 60th minute is when you throw in Sanabria to try and do some of his magic. I mean, I can certainly see an argument for Sanabria starting based on the way he played in the last game and the importance of the goals. But I just think the way tactically Alfaro might look at it is put in the big guy, put in Pitta to do some of that work he was doing against Brazil as well. Like if you remember, like Gabriel Magalhães in the Premier League is like one of the most physical defenders there is, and he was really like giving him a hard time in that Brazil game. And so I wonder if it's going to be a similar thing, and that opens up the space for Enciso and Diego Gomez.